Hello guys, good day and welcome to Arkinos. Let's have a quick update here in our site project. Today is September 9, 2025. So makikita natin dito yung ongoing rebars installation natin and also yung development ng ating excavation. So guys, ito yung ongoing development natin today. So yan, kita nyo, meron na tayong mga rebars sa ating columns. It's grid line 1, 2, and 3. And ito naman si grid line 4, nag-start tayo ng rebars para sa ating columns. Now, all this area is a completed mat foundation rebars. So ito yung ating phase 1. Now, dito naman sa phase 2 is ongoing yung ating excavation. You see on action yung pag-break ng rock itong ating breaker dito sa area na ito. Ito ngayon yung ongoing development natin today. So ito yung development natin on this side ng wall. So kompleto na yung ating soil nailing and also yung ating shotcrete also on this wall. Then dun sa pinakadulong wall. So kita nyo yung mga plate ng ating soil nail. So yan, then also meron tayong mga pipes. So dyan lumalabas yung groundwater. So yan yung methodology natin para sa ating slope protection. So nag-establish tayo ng slope protection na soil nailing and shotcrete. So ito na ngayon yung development natin today, September 9, 2025. So ito na guys yung development natin today, September 9, 2025. Kita natin dito yung development natin sa ating rebars para sa ating mat foundation and also dito sa rebars ng ating columns and update din dito sa ating basement area excavation. So yan ang development natin ngayon, September 9, 2025. I'm Architect Chocho, joyfully sharing to you what Arki knows. Thank you very much and God bless you all.